Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the super cute flower bed in Heartopia. So for the items, you will need the penguin sofa, and then you will need the flower grass bed. And you'll also need the bird's nest bed as well. Then to build it, you'll need to place down 3 by 2 floors, so altogether it's 6. Then place low walls around the floors, and you are just going to color them all. So I'm just going to speed past this one. Then you are going to take the penguin sofas, and you can again paint them whatever color you want it to be. And I'm just going to place it around in this order. So one of them is at the very corner, and the rest of the 4 is just all together like a bed sort of. So again, I'm just going to speed past this one. Then you are going to place flooring and make sure your ceiling and floor color is the same. I did forget to do it, so I just added a wall here so that I'm able to color the underside of the flooring. Then I just place it back to its spot. Then you are going to pull the low wall up, so you'll have another low wall there. And we are going to go to building material, go to others, and we're going to add this kind of shelf thing, and you can color it to whatever color you want, of course. Okay, so make sure you craft 2 joinery drawer cabinets, and you're just going to want to place that underneath the floor that we have next to the sofa. Right over here, we're going to place 2 of them there. Then using the multi-select option over here, we are going to select 4 of the penguin sofas. So select that and press move all, and we're going to place it out of bounds again. So make sure it is floating in the air, and we're going to do the glitch trick. It didn't work the first time, but it worked the second time. So I am going to do that again. Again, move all and place it out of bounds. And then I'm just going to do that again. So long press, check, and then go up and press the building mode a couple of times. And it's going to kind of glitch out of the area. Then you're going to want to take this low wall and place it kind of half above that low wall. And you're going to do the glitch trick again. I do have a video on this just in case you guys are confused, but it works as you can see here. And then you're going to want to place 4 floors on the bottom of that low wall, the one that we glitched just now. Then you're going to want to place a nest bed on the floors. You can change the colors if you'd like to, but there's not a lot of options for the colors as you can see. And then you're just going to want to glitch it out of bounds again. And if you are confused about that, I do have a separate tutorial on it. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it in the description box down below if I remember. Then you're just going to take this flooring and you're just going to make it into a whole floor that covers the floor that we had before. I hope you understand that. I'm not very good at explaining. Then you're just going to take these wildflower bushes and you're just going to place it on top of the flooring. And then to check if everything works fine, you're just going to press complete, and you are able to see that the bed actually works. And basically when you're done, you can just decorate the shelves and the table as well to however you want to decorate it, of course. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.